It even says in here that it may seem daunting, but fret not. And I have a lot of fret right now. So this is a quick unboxing for this Apron Maven sourdough starter kit. I'm doing something right now I call the sourdough project, where I'm trying 3 different methods of making sourdough. This is one of them. I am going to be using an Apron Maven sourdough starter that I purchased separately, and then this sourdough starter kit. So I'm going to take a look at it right now. It's got the list of stuff on the side. What I like about this kit is that it actually comes with a kitchen scale to help me, and then I can dedicate just to making the sourdough. So that's awesome. On the box, on the back, I had to cover it up, but there's a QR code. If you get stuck, if you have any questions, there's a QR code that you can scan to ask questions and get support, which is pretty nice. I like that level of support. So let's see what we got in here. Here we go. Instruction book. This should be everything that I need to get me going. We've got a plastic spatula because I already know that metal will not work. We've got a cool jar that has a temperature gauge here. We got a band here that we can put on here to measure how the sourdough is growing. And then there's a cloth top to put over the top of the jar so that the cultures can get themselves going. And then look at this little scale. This is pretty cool. Little kitchen scale that we can put that on so we can measure our ingredients while we're feeding and make sure that we're staying pretty accurate. So that's pretty cool. So pretty neat little kit, and I'm going to go ahead and start using it right now. So one of the cool things about this instruction manual is that it contains instructions for creating your own sourdough starter out of thin air, which is pretty neat. I'm going to be cheating and using Apron Maven sourdough starter that I purchased separately, but at some point I'm definitely going to try creating my own sourdough starter out of thin air just to say I've done it. It even says in here that it may seem daunting, but fret not. And I have a lot of fret right now. So I'm going to cheat and I'm going to start with a pre-done starter. But later I'll go ahead and give this a whack. So there you go. Everything that you need to get started to create your own sourdough out of thin air if you want. It's a pretty neat little kit and I'm pretty pleased with it. So I hope this helps.